Welcome to the channel. This is going to be the easiest ZX-6R oil change you will ever see. Just for reference, this is a 2019 ZX-6R, but most bikes will be the same. I mean, it's an oil change. It's pretty simple. Let's get to it. Now, the bike has a 3.6 liter oil capacity, but I only get 3 quarts because it's enough. It's only like 0.2 quarts short, but trust me, it's enough. And the filter you're going to need is the KN303 and a 17 millimeter socket. Before you start, you're going to want to go on the right side of the bike and open up the oil cap. This will release pressure and let the oil flow more freely when you take off the filter. Now come to the left side of the bike. Under with the fairing, there's your oil pan right there. You're going to want to remove that bolt with a 17 millimeter and make sure you have a pan of your choice to catch the oil underneath. Now, my bike is up on jack stands. However, I believe you can do it just sitting on the ground normally when it's tilted. And let it drain. To make this job as least messy as possible, wait until this is almost dripping down to nothing. Because once you remove this filter, the last thing you want is oil flowing all over this area. So the less dripping out of there, the better. Trust me, you'll see later. All right, we got the drips. We're gonna put the bolt back in there. Make sure you give it a good final tightening with your socket. Now that we have the bolt in the bottom, we're gonna go ahead. You might need an extension for this. We're gonna go ahead and take out the filter. And voila. You see what I mean by it? There's a little bit of spillage there, but not much. You just clean that up with a rag. Done. Now go ahead, take your new filter. If you'd like, put just a little bit of oil in it so it helps the seals. And install it. Make sure it's tight, but don't go too tight where you strip off the end here. And now, come to the right side of the bike and pour all 3 quarts of oil in there. It's like liquid gold. And just like that, job's done. Good job. Don't forget to start it up, let it run for a few minutes. I know you all want to hear this.